Hello everyone, I am Untitled. Today we are making naan pizza. Most people make pizza with pizza dough, but this time we are making it with naan. You can make the base of a pizza with anything. It can be kubus, it can be paratha or anything. The main ingredients of a pizza are onions, chicken, chili, olives and tomato. And we also need capsicum and mozzarella. These are frozen nuts. I have just defrosted it now. We are using these as our base. Then we need some pizza sauce. The first step to making a pizza is adding pizza sauce. Spread the pizza sauce generously on top of the naan. Now we can add the mozzarella cheese on top of it. Guys, I love mozzarella cheese. Guys, now we can add the toppings on the pizza. We have to add some chicken and vegetables. I'm not going to add many vegetables because I don't like vegetables. This is fried chicken. I am adding fried chicken, but you can add any type of chicken that you want. If it's grilled to baked. This pizza I am making for myself and this for my parents. So for my parents, I am adding a lot of vegetables. Let's see how they react. I have already placed my pizza in a pizza pan, so it is ready for baking. Guys, let's bake the pizza. You have to bake the pizza until the cheese has been melted. If you don't have an oven, you can make it in your pan. Make sure the oven is preheated. Guys, the pizza is ready. It's really hot and I just touched so I burned my hand. Don't play around with hot objects, it might burn you. Always ask your mom or dad when handling hot stuff. Have parent supervision. Guys, the pizza is ready. I am going to have it. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Bye.